If your YouTube channel is not growing and maybe you post videos after videos and you still end up getting low views, like maybe 20 views, 10 views, or you are under 100 views, then you need to listen to this video, because the algorithm is not against you. It is actually you that is having the problem. But the big news is that you can fix those issues and you're going to become a successful creator. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the successful creators are doing, and that is going to secretly boost your views, and you're going to start getting views and getting more subscribers, and you're going to be growing your channel very, very fast on YouTube. If you are new here on this channel, my name is Michael, and over the past years I've grown 3 different YouTube channels and I've made more than $50,000 across my channel. If growing your channel is one of your main priority, then consider subscribing to this channel and turn on your bell icon for more video on this channel. And let's get started. Now, in my years of experience with YouTube, I realized that when you want to start YouTube channel, you need to take it as a serious business. You cannot just treat it like a side hustle, because if you do so, you are not going to get the result you should get. So the first point that I realized that most big YouTube creators are doing is to treat YouTube like a hobby. Treat it like a business. Most small creators post videos based on what they feel like doing, and successful creators post video based on what people are actually watching already and what is already working. And that means you need to make research before you upload. You don't just post because you like the idea. Post because you've seen the video working on another channel in your niche, and by doing that you need to study your competition. You need to look for a pattern, and then you find topic that are already getting millions of views and add your own twist. This is not a copy, it's just modeling success. Remember, YouTube rewards what is already working on YouTube and what people are already interested in. So make sure you make your own research before you post your video, and you don't just post because you feel like posting it. Post because you have seen it working already on another channel in your niche. The second thing you need to start doing right now is learn the art of camouflage. This one is powerful. If you really want YouTube to recommend your videos, then your content needs to look like what people already click on. And that means your thumbnail should have the same energy, the same color, and the same layout as top creators in your niche are doing it. And also, your title should use similar structure or phrasing, not identical, but just make it close enough to blend in. Also, your pacing and energy should also match what is already working on YouTube. It's not about being the most creative, it's about being the most strategic person. If your video looks completely from what your audience are watching, then YouTube is not going to recommend it. Blend in first, then you stand out later. The third thing you need to start doing right now is SEO. You need to understand that SEO is still matter. A lot of people say tags and keywords don't matter on YouTube, that YouTube already know what your video is all about. Yes, but here is the truth. SEO still matter, and they are still going to help you. Your title, your description, and your tags tell YouTube what category your content belongs to. It's how the system know who to show your video to. So you need to start using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find out what keywords top creators in your niche are actually using. Then optimize it to your own video with similar terms. Then trust me, this is going to help your video appear in all suggested videos and search results. And which that is the biggest traffic source for growing a YouTube channel. The number 4 thing you need to start doing right now is get results before you get creative. If your videos are not getting views, then you need to stop trying to be original for a while. Yes, originality is great after you build momentum, but for now, focus on format that is already working and use trending topics, successful videos, titles, and proven formats. And once you are consistently getting the results, then you can experiment with your own ideas. Every big creator started by learning the system and then breaking the rules after they are successful. The number 5 things you need to start doing right now is YouTube is a marketing game. You need to understand that YouTube is not just about creating videos, it's about creating attention, and that is marketing. Your job is not just about making a video, it's just to get someone to click your video and watch to the end. And that means you need to start learning how to write a clickable titles, make a scrolling stop thumbnail, and then deliver value quickly. The better you get at marketing your content is the fastest your channel is going to grow on YouTube. So make sure you started learning how to market your content so that you can organically boost your YouTube views, and the more views you get is the more you grow faster on YouTube. If you do these 5 things, then you will stop blaming the algorithm. Then you will see yourself getting the result. And if this video helped you, just do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and like this video, and let me hear you saying it in the comment section that I am ready to grow. Because in my next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a video that the YouTube algorithm cannot ignore. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell icon so that whenever I upload that video, you are going to be the first person to watch the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in my next video.